Introducing the 2026 Cupra Leon 1 5 150 horsepower DSG Estate in sleek black exterior. This powerful 1.5 litre petrol engine with automatic transmission is packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. The stylish interior includes luxury trim and cup holders for added convenience. Plus, with features like roof rails and privacy glass, you'll be driving in style and security. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.